Former Health Minister Dr. Dwayne Sands predicting today that COVID-19 infections are likely far higher than what is reported due to the decline in PCR testing in favor of cheaper rapid tests.
It turns out in the Bahamas that we have stopped testing. And so on the left, even though you can't see it very well, we may measure by PCR 45, 52, 60 cases a day. To the right of the slide, it shows from our world in data based on estimates that in the Bahamas right now, as of June 22nd, that we probably have about 1,000 cases a day.
While he said by convention, countries are only allowed to report PCR results to the World Health Organization, there are still ways for the government to keep citizens abreast of the rapid antigen test results.
The recommendation would be to, on that chart that says 52 cases, PCR, and then you can put in brackets, and we had 500 antigen positive. That way people would have an idea of what's going on.
Addressing members of Rotary Club of West Nassau at Poop Deck, the former minister, who says he's received 4 COVID-19 vaccine shots, pointed to the waning efficacy of vaccines against the Omicron variant.
You remember back in the olden days, 2020, Pfizer, 95% effective. Moderna, 94% effective. AstraZeneca, 70% effective. Well, it turns out that these numbers mean absolutely nothing right now.
He said as of today, an adequately vaccinated and boosted individual has good protection against hospitalization and death. However, they can still get COVID.
If vaccination for COVID is going to be effective, we are going to need to update the formula of the vaccines. And so this article published on the 22nd of June, 2022, Moderna now claims that they have a Omicron-specific vaccine. So COVID has evolved. Vaccinations are going to evolve.
Dr. Sands said Bahamians must continue to protect themselves.
If we continue to ignore the reality of COVID, it will be to our peril. Now, I am not a proponent of lockdowns. I am not calling for a lockdown. What I am calling for us to do is to pay attention, to stay awake, to continue to test, to continue to look at the data, and to not give people bad information.
Reporting for the Guardian News Network, I'm Jared Higgs.